Hello everyone. Today, we need to have a serious talk about something that protects the very foundation of your financial life, your home. Whether you own a house or rent an apartment, you have a place you call home, and you have belongings you worked hard to acquire. But what happens if the unexpected strikes? A fire, a storm, a break-in. These are not just emotional events, they are financial disasters waiting to happen if you are not properly protected. This is where insurance comes in. It is a safety net for your biggest asset and your personal property. You cannot afford to be without it. Many people get confused about the different kinds of insurance available for their living situations. The two most common types are homeowners insurance and renters insurance. At first glance, they might seem similar, but they protect very different things. We're going to break down what they cover and how to choose the right one. Knowledge is power. So let's get into the specifics. What does homeowners insurance actually cover? Approved. This policy is a comprehensive package. First and foremost, it covers the physical structure, the dwelling itself. If your home is damaged by a fire, a hurricane, or another covered disaster, the insurance company will provide the money to repair or completely rebuild it. It also typically covers other structures, like a detached garage, a fence, a shed. Homeowners insurance also includes coverage for your personal property, furniture, appliances, television, wardrobe. If these items are stolen during a burglary or destroyed in a fire, your policy will help you replace them. Coverage often extends to belongings even when they are outside your home. Both homeowners and renters include liability coverage. If a guest slips on a wet floor and breaks a leg, liability helps pay medical bills and legal costs, protecting your savings. The question of who needs which policy is incredibly straightforward, so there should be no confusion. If you own your home, you must have homeowners insurance. If you have a mortgage, your lender will almost certainly require it. They have a financial stake. They want their investment protected. Even if you own your home outright, going without homeowners insurance is financial insanity. You are sitting on an asset worth hundreds of thousands. Leave it vulnerable at your peril. This applies to owners of all types. Single-family homes, duplexes, townhouses, condos. You need a homeowner's policy. For condo owners, the policy is slightly different. Often called an HO6. The association's master policy usually covers the exterior and common areas. Your HO6 covers the walls in. On the other side, if you rent your home, you need renter's insurance. Your landlord's insurance protects the building. It does nothing for you or your possessions. Renter's insurance protects your stuff, your couch, computer, kitchenware, everything. More landlords now require proof of renter's insurance before signing a lease. Bottom line, look at your living situation. Do you pay a mortgage or rent? That decides the policy you need. Now that you know which policy you need, how do you choose the right one? First, do your homework. Do not just take the first quote, and do not just take the cheapest. Shop around. Get quotes from at least 3 different companies. Prices can vary significantly. Price isn't the only factor. Look at reputation and how they handle claims. Understand your coverage limits. Policies state the maximum they will pay. Homeowners should insure for full replacement cost. The cost to rebuild today, not what you originally paid. Create a home inventory. Go room by room and list major possessions and values. That tells you how much personal property coverage you need. Pay attention to the deductible, what you pay before insurance kicks in. A higher deductible lowers your premium, but be honest, can you cover that cost in an emergency? Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek discounts. Ask what's excluded. Floods and earthquakes often require separate coverage. Bundle your home and auto, install security and smoke detectors for discounts. Be smart and proactive. Get protection at the best price. You are the protector of your own financial destiny. Stop making excuses. Take action today.